Nothing improves the look of your property and your house like landscape lighting. It just gives it that additional little nice touch that says, you know, we care about the appearance of our property not only during the day, but at night when nobody can really see. You know, you can highlight exactly what you want them to see. So I have 44 palms, and so you know I love going to TORCHSTAR for all of my lighting needs, and they were nice enough to hook me up with these low voltage adjustable garden lights. So let's see, they got 2 packs in here. It looks like they're identical, and that is a nice lead that they include on here, and it's a nice bronze casing, and these are adjustable. So what I like about this adjustability is these are teeth, so it's not just gonna move. Once you lock that in, these teeth are really going to keep it where it needs to go. Looks like the bulbs are included in this kit, and we've got 4 per. And then we got our nice heavy duty spike here as well. So I'm just going to assemble one of these, and then we will get out in our yard and start wiring up some of our palms. There's this little feature right here. They cut this notch right in here, so it makes it very easy to attach this nice great big spike. And this is a heavy duty spike, a little bit better than some of the other landscape lights I've seen, so this shouldn't bend or deflect at all. So we're going to get out in the yard, and I'm going to install these guys on my palms. Probably end up using these. They gave you 2 different options for securing these. So you have the standard little wing nut here, which has the silicone in it, or they have this. So I'm not 100% sure on which model I'll use, but let's get out there. Okay, so I'm just going to replace this tiny little light, and I'm going to use these lights to accent the back of the palm tree. So this spike is very large, so we just orient that right behind the other one, because we'll need a little bit more distance because this light's a little bit bigger. And you see the size of that spike. And I like using these little connectors here, and we'll just remove this, and then we can simply pull this apart and attach these wires. Then there's this button on the back where we can change the color to match our other lights. So with this light wired in, I am going to trench the wire to all my other lights, and we will get this hooked up and running.